Hi guys, it's Cryo here, back with another video. And as you can see, today we are in Universe Sandbox. So what I'm going to be doing is trying to create a solar system that acts ridiculous. Again with the lag. Random main sequence star. Make it still, because why not? This one seems too small. That one still seems too small. Yeah, sure, why not? Okay, that is too small. Make it bigger. Yeet. The sun. Make that 4 point. Why not? Oh, weird. Okay, that's strange. Yeah, why not have a blood red sun? Make that a strange color that totally contrasts with it. Hang on. Gonna change the background a bit. Just stars. Let's turn on the habitable zones so we can see just what unnaturalness we're creating. Yeah, sure, random rocky planet. We're just going to make this orbit stupidly close. Yeah, why not? Yeah, why not? And yeah, why not? Oh, and everyone likes something that's freezing. Let's change this up a bit. And at 0.9. Because of course. Oh. We want them all to keep their absurd atmospheres that we're going to give them. So we need to turn off gas loss. Faster time. We want faster time. I like how it's just a little ball of fire spitting out flames. Those aren't even solar flares, they're just flames. Seizure mode. Yeah, it's been over a decade. Why not slow this stupidity down? Planet 0.9 still hasn't caught fire? Customize this. Remove all but one of... Oh, it's kind of on fire. Remove all the bands and make it blood red. Actually... Oh, yeah. The pool ball planet. And I'm stuck. Well, this is just totally unnatural. Fahrenheit. Well, that explains it. It's kind of on fire, but at the same time, it's kind of not. Wait. Oh, this is strange. Let's edit you. You're not supposed to be nice. Wait, what has happened to the extremes of temperature on this planet? It ranges from negative 260, like twice as cold as Antarctica, to about as hot as Death Valley. The average temperature is like negative 70 degrees because of how insane this is. Oh, that's creepy. Yeah, sure, let's zoom in on it and see what it really looks like. Oh my gosh. That is horrifying in an odd way. Convenient. Wait, what's this little... Never mind. I saw a smudge on the screen of the computer. Thought it was something blue. Because I forgot the computer screen has some smudges. Oh, it's like... Oh, weird. It always starts out with the most cursed sea levels. Now let's make that something normal and legit. This is just strange. Like, you see the sun just streaking by. I probably shouldn't be doing that. Oh. Yeah, let's turn that off. This planet is undead. Oh, look, it's Storm. All the opacity. Well, now this is just ridiculous. And let's pick a random color. Oh. Yeah, sure, why not? The planet just needs to be as stupid as it can. I have no idea what this is at this point. We're just going to make it the most outrageous colors, if habitable. Green because I like my eyes to bleed. That was an odd joke. As expected, this thing is uninhabitable. Wait, why is it uninhabitable? This thing is supposedly... No, it's not uninhabitable. I don't know why it's not showing them. It should be. This thing's got about as good a chance of life as any. It's like 50-50. Might have life, might not. No one knows. I say it has life. Or had life because it's undead. Eclipses are good. Yeah, why not? Okay, that's just stupid. More bloody water. Because this planet is absurd. Actually, let's make the water like golden, but in an ugly way. Yeah, that's ugly. Reminds me of a planet I once saw in the workshop. Only that was ugly. No, only this is uglier. That was way less. Okay, at this point it just looks like oceans of crude oil. Kind of. No planet in this system is complete without just looking stupid. There. Yeah, I think this planet lives up to its name of undead. The clouds are acting funny. Well, nothing lives here. We need to change that. One point binary. This thing's a bit bigger than Earth. What was that? I thought I said glitch. Composition. Water should exist. Because of course. Is this thing slowly freezing? Is that ice? Is it freezing? Oh, I think the planet is freezing. Yeah, that's definitely ice. Let's just make this ridiculous. Yeah, why not? Stupid values should exist. I don't want to see any snow. What is this? All the green. That went the wrong direction. Okay, that's yellow. Now that's blood red. Yeah, that has no impact. Besides turning the planet into a frozen traffic light. Oh, I'm still on undead. Kill my screen. We can do better than that. Yeah, sure. Make its name so stupidly large that it doesn't fit. You know what's a good solar system? When you have a planet like this. Oh, part of it hasn't frozen, and ironically that's like super close to the poles. This thing's got like a 1 in 3 chance of life. A bunch of 9s. Wait, what was that? Capital 9 is not a thing, as far as I know. What have we done? I am not sure how this has happened. But I don't think we should see that magnetosphere because of how large it is. Oh. I think it's like a pulsar. It's still got like a 1 in 3 chance of life. Probably some simple microbes on it, I guess, by my scale. At this point, the star has stopped making fire and started making jelly. Scratch that, it's still fire. But at the same time, it's not. I think we... What is that? Are those weird, like, puffs of dark smoke? Oh, Planet 09 is just the most absurd thing. Now let's just create something normal. Oh, it's like Enceladus. More. Oh, it's also blood red. At least this time it will be somewhat normal. 1.2 because it's an ocean world. All the vivid blueness, or blue-green. Wait, are there no clouds? Is this thing too cold for clouds? I think it is. Hang on. Nope, not too cold for clouds. Yeah, let's just make this planet one whole flipping hurricane. The clouds make it look lumpy. I don't like that. More water. Oh, it's got water. Why can I not click on the surface now? If it's got a sea level, then tell us. Wait, how frozen is this? Oh. That was pointless. And that is strange. At this point, I'm just gonna call it Sad Snowball Place. And make it some color. I'm not even all looking when I click on these. Oh, that actually looks kind of good with it. It's like bright indigo. It shouldn't be a thing. The orbit of this thing is just so vivid. And sure, why not? And this planet has spontaneously set itself on fire by being 25 times the size of Jupiter. Well, that's nice. Well, I just realized that its gravity is wreaking havoc on planet 0.9. Just make this some number. I'm gonna try and put a moon around Sad Snowball Place. Oh, wrong button. You can see that frozen hurricane. Yeah, sure, random small moons. Because we can. Well, that broke. Oh, one of them is like spiraling in. Sooner or later, it's gonna collide. Let's make this go too fast. Oh, I think they're actually semi-stable. Oh, no, this one's orbit is contracting. And now it's expanding, and now it's contracting, and now it's expanding, and you get the point. Overall, I think it is getting smaller, though. Rumnus. It's just a blood red orb. Ikortaski? What kind of name is that? Okay, there is no variety in the solar system because the sun is just too red. We turn it to this, it'll give us a nice natural light. So we can see our planets in their full stupidity. Or stupidity. Sad snowball indeed. Its moons are just being yeeted. Flucus. That's an object made entirely out of vomit if I ever saw one. Did something hit this place? Oh no, it's just not entirely frozen. Most of this place is just so frozen. I wish Universe Sandbox had the ability to actually view the terrain. Because we put mountains so high on this place that it would just look ridiculous. Make it bigger. It needs to be bigger. Does it even have seasons? Give it seasons. Oh. Oh yeah, sure, why not? That's too much. Yeah, 30-degree tilt. Oh, I think it's around spring or fall here. Let's see the actual size of the moon compared to it. This moon is a bit too big. Does this thing have water? We're about to find out. Arbitrary numbers. Brighten the atmosphere. The International Campaign for the Brightening of Atmospheres says, give everything an atmosphere. so that we can give it the most stupid storms in existence. Water. What has happened? Its water is acting so absurd. Oh, no wonder it has no clouds. Storm. Kilometers per second. What is this in kilometers per hour? Wait. Those are 600-mile-per-hour winds. I don't need to do anything except... that's something. It has too much obliquity. The atmosphere of this thing is something you wouldn't expect to see on anything that exists. Except you do on exoplanets that have the most stupid wind speeds. Oh great, and now this thing is frozen. Cheers for the frozen moon. Or the slightly less frozen planet with the most stupid name I can think of. Or couldn't think of because I made it by randomly hitting the keys. Let's land on that, like, one little bit of greenish yellow, unpleasantly colored land. Like, the only grass that grows here is just that little bit on the coast. Because the rest of the land is at such a stupid elevation. Background. That way we don't have any annoying stars. Oh, okay, that's an odd sight. Wait. What is this? What is that? Oh, there's something. Oh, it's not even showing the name. Tumina. Mina. Oh, no wonder it's glowing. I managed to make the thing so massive it set itself on fire. I wonder, is the moon visible? No, it is not visible. Take off. When you first look at it, it looks like that thing from Star Wars. Like, the Starkiller base with that band of blue. Now let's land on its moon and see what exactly it looks like. I expect to be greeted by an icy wasteland. Hang on, I wonder what happens if... Nothing. Oh, that is weird. It's got like its planet, and that thing's on fire. Is there an eclipse going on? Because the sun should not... Oh, there must have been like a cloud. Landing on these planets looks so weird. Okay, that is just strange. But there you have it, guys. That is Universe Sandbox. For another round of absurdity. This time we basically froze everything and created planets with the stupidest names. Well, that's all for this video.